Here we are. Walk straight on. No queue at all. If you think on a day like this there'd be a queue, this is unbelievable. That there's no queue. It's just crazy. We had to queue quite a bit earlier on, but it's how the park's laid out here. There's a definitive route around, so you kind of end up following people around, and it's that time of the day as well where I don't know where people are getting out of the heat because it's the hottest point of the day now. It's just gone 4:20, so it is quite hot. Actually, that's a lie. It's absolutely roasting. Whoa! Straight up. I really hope I get a good splashing in this. There's a little jacuzzi down there. Seems quite nice. Little sign, the Terra Mitica. That's a bit like Hollywood. There you go. You see that? Here we go. What a beautiful view. You see over there? It's just so nice over there, over the bay and everything else. And is it a bay? I don't know. Over the beach anyway. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Here we go. I think this is the big drop here. Oh, that was nice. That was nice. Absolute soaking. Nice little turntable with backwards drop just down there. It's quite good fun. Let's see how this goes. See the thingy down there, which is quite good. Here we go. Nice little sprinkling. Little wave flyer there, wave swinger on the edge of the cliff. Absolutely beautiful. That's one thing, it does look so nice over there, over the lake. I mean, in many ways, it does remind me a little bit of Portaventura mixed with, I don't know, mixed with something else. A little bit of Islands Adventure maybe. Obviously not on the same level, but it's... What they have done is nice. Certainly a good way to cool off in this weather anyway. Oh, bit of mysterious music.